Before we even get into charts, news, or partnerships, let me paint you a picture. Imagine waking up, checking your portfolio, and seeing one coin, one tiny underrated coin, quietly breaking formation from the entire market, refusing to follow fear, refusing to slow down, and instead rising with the stubborn confidence of something that knows exactly where it's going. That coin is Overtake, also known as Take. And if you've been watching its moves lately, then you already know something big is happening. Because while the rest of the market is shivering with a fear and greed index stuck at 24, Take is doing something bold, almost disrespectful. It's pumping, not a small pump. I'm talking about a 20.83% surge in 24 hours, outpacing the entire market like it doesn't even care about the panic around it. If you've been wondering why it's doing this, buckle up. This video is absolutely for you. Here's what's really going on. The first spark that ignited this recent momentum didn't come from hype. It came from utility. A partnership announced on November 19th with CoinFlow Labs. Now, partnerships are common in crypto, but not all partnerships actually matter. This one does, because integrating fiat payments and enhancing marketplace functionality, that's the type of thing that actually attracts real users, not just traders chasing candles. And real utility always finds its way into price action, even if it takes a little time for the market to wake up. But the real gasoline poured on the fire came a few days later. November 23rd, staking V2, also known as Stakehouse, dropped, and with it came higher APR, better rewards, and even a USDT raffle baked into the incentive structure. Most people underestimate how powerful staking upgrades are. They lock tokens away, they tighten supply, and every time supply gets thinner, the remaining tokens suddenly start moving differently, stronger, faster, more aggressively, and that's exactly what we're seeing with Take. Now let's talk about the charts, because the technical story is just as wild as the fundamental one. The MACD line has crossed above the signal line, classic bullish momentum shift. The histogram is green. Buyers are stepping in. The price is trading above key moving averages, meaning the trend has flipped in favor of the bulls. The RSI is sitting around 65.81, high, but not yet in the danger zone. That's right on the edge where explosive upside can still happen before the typical pullback. And with trading volume up 57.39%, this isn't just one whale pushing buttons. The crowd is getting involved. And here's what makes this rise even crazier. The overall crypto market is only up about 2.82% in 24 hours. That means Take isn't just riding market momentum. It's outperforming almost 10 times the general market move. That's not normal. That's not random. That's coin-specific energy, but it gets better, or depending on your strategy, riskier. Because while Take is climbing, the market is still fearful. The fear and greed index is telling traders to be cautious. But Take is moving like a coin that knows something the rest of the market doesn't. And those moments, when a project moves against the crowd, those are the moments smart investors pay attention to. Now, I'm not here to sell dreams. Yes, the momentum is strong. Yes, the technicals support the pump. Yes, the staking upgrade and the fiat integration partnership are real growth drivers with real impact. But we can't ignore that RSI creeping towards 70. We can't ignore the possibility of profit-taking. Every pump has a moment where early buyers decide to cash out. So if you're watching Take right now, understand this. The trend looks bullish, but the window won't stay open forever. So if you're interested in Overtake coin, if you've been hearing people whisper about it, seeing it trend, or watching it show strength while the rest of the market hesitates, then you're in the right place. This coin is in a pivotal moment right now. A moment driven by fundamentals, fueled by staking incentives, confirmed by technicals, and amplified by market psychology. And the story isn't over yet, because right now, Take is doing exactly what its name promises. It's trying to overtake everything in its path.